Good morning, children. So in previous class what we have discussed about the forms of water. We discussed water exists in three states: solid, liquid and gas. Gaseous form of water changes into liquid, liquid into solid. So the forms of water are interchangeable state. Water exists in three states. They are interchangeable states, isn't it? We discussed, and we discussed about the evaporation also. What is evaporation? Conversion of water into water vapor on heating is called evaporation. When the evaporation is faster, when the sun's heat is more, then the evaporation will be faster. When the sun's heat is less, the evaporation will be less. What are the factors involved for evaporation? Wind is there, or the amount of heat is there, isn't it? So these factors influence the evaporation rate, isn't it? So now here we'll know about what is evaporation. The conversion of water into water vapor on heating is called evaporation. On windy day also the water will be evaporated. Where this water goes? In the atmosphere. So the water goes into the atmosphere. When you go above the surface of the earth, the air becomes cooler. The air becomes cooler. In the same way, when the water reaches to higher level, it becomes cooler and forms the clouds. Clouds are formed. So now here we will know about how this cloud formation takes place. Now we will know about the evaporation we have discussed. Now we will know about, in the winter days, now this is winter season is starting. In winter days what happens? Whenever we speak out, the smoke will come out from our mouth. The smoke will come out from our mouth. The smoke which comes out from our mouth will contain the warm air, hot air, compared to the air which surrounds you. The air which surrounds around you is a cool air, which contains the cool air. So this hot air mixes with the cool air and forms the tiny droplets of water, and which converts into the smoke from our mouth which comes out, isn't it? When we stand in front of the mirror and just blow air on the mirror, you will see the tiny droplets of water. Tiny droplets of water you will see there, isn't it? So this is, we observe smoke during the winter season. In the same way, you will see the tiny droplets of water on the surface of the grass. On the grass you will see, on the plant leaves you will see the tiny droplets of water. Because of on cooling only, these droplets of water are called dew. What do you call it? Dew. It is called a dew. Now take a glass of water. Take a glass of water and keep some ice pieces, ice cubes on this. Keep some ice pieces on this. Keep some ice pieces on this. What happens when you keep the ice pieces in the glass? It becomes cool. The surface of the ice becomes cool. The surface of the ice becomes cool and forms the water droplets. How these water droplets are formed on the surface of the water? The air present on this surround contains the cool air because of the cool water. How the water becomes cool? Because of ice, isn't it? This cool air in contact with the warm air which surrounds the glass and forms the water droplets. Together forms the water droplets. Here you are seeing the water droplets. On cooling, this water droplets changes into water. Changes into water. So here you are seeing this changes the water vapor in the air due to the condensation method. What is condensation? What is condensation? Change of water vapor into water. Change of water vapor into water is called condensation. On cooling, remember, on cooling, change of water vapor into water on cooling is is called condensation. Isn't it? The process of conversion of water vapor into water is called condensation. Isn't it? So here we will see the situations where water vapor changes into water. You have seen the glass of water with the ice cubes, how the water changes on cooling. Isn't it? Formation of clouds. Always in the clouds means only you will see the water vapor is there in the clouds. You will see the water vapor in the clouds. Isn't it? Very tiny droplets of water will be there due to evaporation. Due to evaporation, the water vapor will be reaches at higher levels and condenses and forms the clouds. Isn't it? Clouds is nothing but the water vapor only. Isn't it? Formation of water drops around the glass filled with the water. Isn't it? Next, coming to formation of water drops under the now lids. Take a lid. Take a glass, take a vessel. Heat the water into here. What happens? Already explained you. Clouds in the kitchen. Clouds in the kitchen. Heat the water. The water receives the heat from the gas stove or burner. Up and keep the lid here. Cover the lid. The vessel with the lid. What happens after some time? The water starts boiling and the lid will show up and down because of the increased volume of the water inside the vessel, in the vessel. Now remove the lid. What you will see on the lid? Under the small droplets of water you will see. Small droplets of water you will see. Now pour the water on the lid. Pour the water. Water will be cool. Isn't it, compared to this water vapor with these droplets of water? Isn't it? So, on cooling, these water droplets are converted into water. Again, water. Converted into water due to condensation method. Isn't it? So, here, fog. In this season only, you will see the fog also. Very tiny droplets of water you will see in the... When you move in the early mornings for walking, you will see even on your hairs also droplets of water, tiny droplets of water you will see. So these are the situations where water vapor changes into water. These are the situations where water vapor changes into water. You have seen this, how the water vapor changes into water. Now how the clouds are formed? Clouds and rains, clouds. So when this, due to evaporation, the water evaporates from the water bodies. Due to hot sun, this evaporation is very faster in summer days, hot summer days. So these, what are the water bodies? Rivers, oceans, ponds, lakes, seas. From this the water evaporated and reaches at a higher level. Isn't it? And forms the clouds. Like us, when you reaches above the sea level, what happens? You feel cool air. You feel cool air. In the same way, this water vapor, hot water vapor reaches to higher levels and condenses with the cool water vapor, cool air. Isn't it? Slow moving air is called a breeze. With that, these water vapors are condensed and forms the clouds. Rains, about the rains we will study in the next session. Thank you, children.